Hello everybody, my name is Bharat. I'm from Washmac Laundry Equipment. Today we're going to discuss about the most profitable and most successful business in the market, that is dry washing and ironing business. So let's see what all the equipments are required for doing this business. So the first machine is, this is the machine. This is called as a dry washing machine, MTO machine. So in this machine, in 8-hour shift in a day, you can wash around 100 sarees. In case of pants or shirts or any suits or blazers, you can wash around 300 pieces per day. 8 hour shift. So the second machine is the sari ironing machine. This is called a sari ironing machine, fully automatic. In this machine, a person can iron around 100 saris in 8 hour shift. So it takes around like 5 minutes for one sari. So in this machine, you can iron all types of saris like cotton, silk, any work kundan saris also. So the last machine is called as the vacuum ironing table, which comes with a steam boiler. In this table, you can iron around 120 to 150 pieces in a day in 8 hour shift. In this machine, you can iron all types of stitched materials like pants, shirts, ladies kurtis, blazers and everything. So this is the machine. It works on steam and you have got an iron box also. And now I'll practically show you all the machines, like how does it work. So machine to machine, how the machine performance and how much time does it take, you can practically see it. So when we talk about the pricing of all these three equipments, the first the MTO, the price of this MTO machine is around 3,50,000. And then when you come to the sari ironing machine, even the range start of this machine is around 3,50,000. And then the vacuum ironing table with boiler, this is around 70,000. So overall, if you to go and take with this all three equipments, it's around 8.5 lakh to 9 lakhs budget, including GST. So now let's discuss about the profit and monthly turners of this all the three equipments. As I said, you can wash around 100 saris in the MTO machine, and you can also iron 100 saris in this sari rolling machine. So on average, if you charge 100 rupees per sari also, your daily turnover would be around 10,000. And if you calculate into 24 days in a month, it is around like 2,40,000 turnover per month what you earn is. And if at all, suppose if you go for an expenditure of rent and labors and whatever the chemical required for the dry washing and the gas required for the what we say sari ironing machine, if you take out all these expenditures, around like 1 lakh, 1,40,000 would be your rough profit every month. And with this, whatever the investment you have done, you can recover it in just 6 to 7 months. As this is the service industry, we need just one-time investment on this equipment, and the lifetime of these machines are like around 10 to 12 years. If you do whatever I've said, you can earn around 3 crores of, you can make a market of 3 crores in this 10 years, and your rough profit would be around 1.5 crore. So this is how it works. So all these three machines together, you can run it on a single phase power also. In case if the customer is required with a three-phase service, then we can also provide three-phase equipment. And especially the space required for this, all these three machines is like 15 by 15 space room, which comes around 200 to 300 square feet of shutter. That is all. It is basic necessities what you need to operate these three machines. So now I'm practically going to show you how this machine works. So I have two saris in my hand. I'm going to wash these two saris and show you practically. So I'm opening the door. I'm loading all the two saris into the machine. I have closed the door again. So here I'm going to open the wall. You will have the MTO chemical on the top of this machine that would be loaded into the inner drum now. So the cycle time of this machine is 5 minutes. So I'm going to set it to 5 minutes. Start the machine. So you can see the washing cycle has been started. So in just 5 minutes, you can do the washing, and in other 5 minutes, you do the spinning. So in almost like 5 to 10 minutes, you can do all the process in this. The specialty of this machine is like, this machine is used for basically for high-end fabrics, that is like pattus and all, where the lot of color bleeding happens when you wash it in the water. But in this machine, when you use this chemical, and the machine doesn't give any sort of bleeding, like color fading out, like or the fabric gets spoiled or anything. So it gives an 100% output without any bleeding or without any color damage to the fabric. So now the washing is completed. So now we are taking the machine into the spinning mode, that is extraction mode. So I'll show you how. So I'm going to on the drain out pipe and then take it into extraction mode. Here you can see wash and extraction mode, and set the timer to 5 minutes again. The machine starts extracting the oil. The best thing is like 80% to 90% of the chemical would be recycled again into the lower tank here. and the same chemical can be used in the next cycle. So this is how the machine works. So in just 10 minutes the process is completed, 5 minutes for the washing and 5 minutes for the extraction. This machine has very simple programming levels here. You can see that it has a washing option and an extraction option and a start button and the timer button and a stop button. So any lay person can operate this. It is very easy to operate this machine. 10 minutes of process is over of this machine. Now I'm going to open the machine now. As you can see, it's like almost 80% to 90% it is dried, like just 10% of moisture is there. With this 10% of moisture, you can apply some starch to the saree and you can directly go to the ironing section. You can iron the saree in the saree ironing machine. Now I'm going to iron this saree, which is already starched applied. So as you can see, like in 10 minutes, you can iron 2 sarees and you can wash 2 sarees and you can do the ironing stuff. So daily, if you do around like 100 sarees also, you can iron like 10,000 per day. Into 24 days a month, 2,40,000. So I'm going to show you like practically how I'm going to iron this saree now. Now you can see it's getting ironed and you can see the output, the saree is coming from the back. Let's check the output at the behind of the machine. So you can see the output. This is how the saree comes. You can check the quality and the finishing. You can feel the shine also because of the dry washing and then the ironing is done now. So you can feel the shine and also the smoothness of the fabric. Can see the proper finishing. So the final machine is the vacuuming table. This table has 3 components like table, iron box and a boiler. This boiler generates steam. So now I'm practically operating this machine. This has a suction motor here. If I press this pedal, the suction thing pulls the pan tightly and we can iron with this iron box which comes with the steam. So I'll do it manually now. So this is the steam iron box. With this steam you won't get any sort of damage to the fabric. So this is the last finishing. You can see. The output is this, you can see. So this is the final output of this pant, as you could see. So hope you guys got all the basic information about all these 3 equipments. There are people in the market who say that all these 3 things can be done in only one machine, but that is not the procedure. To follow this procedure, you need all these 3 equipments, that is dry washing, saree ironing machine and vacuum ironing table. So for more details, you can visit us and you can see the machines practically also at our office. We are located at Hyderabad, Old Boinpalli. For more details, you can contact us.